Hi everyone, wishing you all a very happy Janmashtami. जन्माष्टमी की आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. On this auspicious occasion, I'll be sharing Dhaniya Panjiri recipe with you all. So let's begin and see what all we need. I've taken some coriander seeds in a mixer jar that I will be grinding into a powder. Now some sugar that again will be ground into a powder. If you have powdered sugar already, you can skip this step, and same goes for the coriander powder. If you have fresh powder directly, you can use it. Heat some ghee in a pan. First, we'll be roasting the cashews. You may take other nuts as well. Once done, take them out in a plate to cool. It has acquired a nice color. Now it's time to take them out. In the same pan, I've added the coriander powder and will be roasting till aromatic and brown. This is what we need. And after that, we'll be adding desiccated coconut. This is optional. You may either add or not. Toast it a bit in the pan, same pan. Everything out on a plate to allow some cooling time. Once they reach room temperature, now it is time to mix them all up. So one by one, we'll be adding the ingredients. Adding the coriander powder in the mixing bowl. Then desiccated coconut, the nuts, the cashew nut, and lastly we'll be adding the powdered sugar. Now it's time to mix. Combine it all well. This is all done, and this Panjiri, Dhaniya Panjiri, is offered to Lord Krishna as the Prasad. So hope you all like this recipe, and if you like, do hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Share it with your family and friends. Comment down below if you too offer this Prasad on Janmashtami to Lord Krishna. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Janmashtami. May God's blessing be with us always for our healthy and happy life. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy cooking to you all.